is actually for your parents. In this video, I'm going to be going over our virtual open house and adding the PowerPoints to this video so you can use it for a reference. Enjoy! On this slide, you see the student schedule. It is a tentative schedule, and I understand everyone's home schedule might look a little bit different, so please use this as a reference and adjust it to best fit your schedule. The areas that are highlighted in yellow, those times are our live Zoom times with Miss Strickland. So, to go over the schedule, first, before 8 a.m., get ready, get dressed, and have some breakfast and get ready to learn for the day. At 8 a.m. is going to be our live Zooms every morning. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is reading, and Tuesday and Thursday is math. After that, it is going to be your time for independent work and your online programs that are assigned during the Zoom session and on Edmodo. On Mondays at 11 a.m. is our live science time on Zoom. So be sure to make that. And at 2 p.m. on Thursdays is our small group instruction time. Students will be receiving invitations to that via email or on Edmodo from me. After that 2:20 time, it's going to be teacher communication. I have open office hours during that time. Use that time to finish any of your Edmodo work or your online programs or your independent work. On this slide, you will see our home learning PowerPoint. This will be sent to you every week. On this PowerPoint is our assignments, what we're learning, and our practice and mastery grades for the week. Edmodo! Thank you for already using Edmodo every day and commenting and liking. Edmodo will also be used for assignments. I know I already have a character book report assignment up on Edmodo. Another way is through quizzes. I can make quizzes on Edmodo to be graded for your reference to be put in PowerSchool. And you can also access so much more information on Edmodo. Please be sure to check it every morning and afternoon. Thank you. Websites. There are so many amazing websites we're going to be using during this time of virtual learning. Students will be able to access every website we will be using under their Clever page on Miss Strickland's page where it says Strickland. It will have every application you will need for home learning. It will have Res Kids, Extra Math, iReady, Vocabulary, Go Noodle, Scholastic, and so much more on your child's page through Clever. And once they log in, it'll be able to save their password and have access to our class work. Please make sure to be logging on to Clever and using these programs every week. I will be using all of these different websites for practice assignments and assessments for your child's at-home learning. I will be indicating which websites we will be using for the week on the home learning PowerPoint. You're also welcome to use the websites that you would like each week for additional practice. I will also be sending out emails explaining how to use the program on the website and your child's login information if needed. Attendance will be taken in multiple different ways. One way will be through your child's Zoom participation and if they are in attendance in that Zoom meeting. Another way will be with their participation on Edmodo and their posts, their comments, likes, their completion of their quizzes and assignments posted on Edmodo. Another way will be through their online work and usage of their programs such as Lexia and Imagine Math. Please be in communication with me every weekday. Thank you. Grades. Every week, your child will receive practice grades and mastery grades that will be inputted into PowerSchool. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of your support, your kindness, and your patience as we navigate our home learning program. As always, if you have any questions, please email or call me. Thanks for watching. Bye.